Hello, my name is Nick Harrison. I'm one of the founders here at Feedolu, the social RSS feed reader. I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of our feed reader before we launch on August 22nd. So the first thing we're going to do is log into an existing account that I've created today. Log in. Okay. Now, one of the first things it's saying is saying wall is empty, and that's because I've yet to actually attach any RSS feeds to this account. So let's do that now. So I'm going to click on Add Feed. Now we have a couple options here. If you have an existing OPML file of feeds, you can import it right up here. You can also browse one of our many categories, and then you can also add an exact feed URL, website address, or actually even a search term. But before we get into that, first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create a specific wall for these feeds we're going to be adding. I just like to keep things organized. So let's name our wall tech stuff. Wall description, I'm just going to leave that blank. Privacy setting, I'm actually going to set this private, and this just means that I will be the only one that is able to view this wall. So I'm going to click save. That's this wall created, and let's add some feeds to it. So let's see. Let's try searching for Mashable. Okay, and that's actually Mashable's main feed up there. I can see. So, and on the drop down, you see text stuff, which is our wall. So I'm gonna, if I add it, it's gonna go right into there. So feed is added. Okay, let's try TechCrunch. Okay, so add it there. And let's also add Gizmodo. Okay, that's the full feed, and yeah, let's add it right into our wall that we created. Okay, so if we go up top here, we have a couple selections here. We have all your feeds, which is exactly how it sounds. You can click on that and just view all the feeds, which is currently is 3. You can view the feeds individually as well. You can click on saved feed posts. We have nothing saved, so there's nothing really to see there yet. So if we go down here, which is actually the wall we've created, um, let's view individual feeds here. So here we go, TechCrunch. Okay, and this is their feed. Click on Gizmodo. Okay, and what I actually like to do a lot is just view the whole wall in entirety. Just I can see a lot more current feed posts that way. So I'm gonna click on that. All right, and there we go. And then just scroll down and there's all of our content. Um, Now we actually have 3 different layouts. This is called our mosaic layout. We also have a list layout for people who like to view things in list form. We have our block layout, which is a bit more uniform. And I'm just going to go back to mosaic. Now you'll notice over here we have what's called a social panel. Um, Now we'll get to that in a minute, but one thing we can do is we can hide it. So we go up to here to hide, and then we can actually see a lot more feed posts at once. Okay, I'm gonna put the social panel back, and since this is a new account, we're not following anybody. Nobody's following us. So let's actually follow another user. I'm gonna click find. I'm gonna enter the name Dashel. That's one of our users, Dashel. Follow. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over here and refresh the social panel, and this will tell me if they've followed, if they've shared any content, or they've commented on existing content from other users. I'm going to refresh that, and So here we go. They've actually shared quite a bit of content. So let's actually click on one of these. Let's see, it slides over easily. And great. So this is what they've shared, and us or me as a user, I can comment on there. Other users can comment on this as well. We can actually view the article, click on that, and see it slides over, and we're right on to the actual website. But we're still within Feedolu, so it's loads quicker, and it's a lot easier to navigate versus having to open up a new tab or anything like that. So we just click the back button, and let's just go back to where we were with the walls. Now there's two ways to view content. There's the quick way, which is preview. So let's go up here and click on this button. And this is the whatever content that, this is Mashable Speed, so whatever content that they had within that feed itself. So they have a picture, and they have a little info. And this might be enough to move on. If not, close it up, and then we can actually just view the whole article itself. We just click on the panel, and as you see, it goes right to the article. So let's click back, and I'm just going to assume this is a good article. I haven't read it, but let's just share it. So I'm going to go down here where it says share. Click on that. Okay, now I have a couple options here. You'll see it says add Twitter and add Facebook. I have yet to add either of them, as you can see. If I share this post right now, I could add a message or not. If I share this post, it would create another thread, and then people that are following me can actually view it. Or I can also add a Twitter or Facebook. So let's actually add Twitter. Click on that. Okay, authorize Feedolu to use your account. I'm going to authorize the application. And that's it. It's that quick. I added Twitter. And this is actually saved to the database, so every time you go on Feedolu, you'll see this checkbox here. All you have to do is click on this checkbox, and if I click, I can add a message. Right now I'm just not going to. Click Share Post. Alright, and so right there I've shared it on Twitter, and I've also created this thread over here that people can comment on. And one other feature I really love about Feedolu is your actual profiles. Now, let's say like this profile is kind of, it's gray, and you can go to change theme. You can actually select individual profile themes, pre-existing themes. You can actually add your own file, or just add a background color. I'm actually going to add this green one, so I'm going to click green one, click Save Theme. Okay, it's going to refresh, and now I have a green layout. So click back, and there you have it. So hopefully you enjoy the site, and see you on the 22nd when we launch. Thank you.